Here is a mentoring tip for mentors who are working with their mentees in a time where there is a shifting mentee experience. And the tip I offer to you is to ensure clarity from consistency point of view so that the mentee can count on it, is that you're on time for your meetings, so the mentee is on time, is that the way in which you structure the meeting has some consistency unless you decide to shift the way in which you're doing that meeting. There is consistency to always lean into defining the terms and concepts and agreeing on those terms and concepts rather than assuming either of you know what the terms and concepts mean. There are many ways in which to search out how you can find consistency and use that to clarify what's happening in the mentoring arrangement. Because the interesting thing is that the questions that the mentee is going to be bringing to you, the mentor, are going to feel differently. Actually, those questions may contain some sense of anxiety. And it's helpful to pay attention for that because the mentee may not even know that they've couched their question with some element of anxiety attached to it. And that is a way in which you, the mentor now, can be consistent, is paying attention to the way in which the question is being asked and the language of the question so that you might pick up the subtleties of that question. Now, the other interesting thing that I see coming is that you as the mentor may not actually have the answer to the question that's being asked because the questions that are now coming to the mentor in this era that's moving quickly and we don't always know what's happening, it's sort of like standing on moving ground. It's moving even though we're trying to ground ourselves. And be aware not to use a fluff and bluff style, but instead, from a consistency point of view, work out how that you and the mentee can interact with one another to find the answer to that question. Because at the end of the day, it is a two-way trusted relationship which you both can learn from one another. So why not explore it? And in there again is this clarity from consistency concept that I'm bringing forward with you. So this is a tip from Dr. Stephen Hobbs from the Wealth Movement, who is supporting the international mentoring community. I've been a facilitative mentor for 30 plus years, and even shooting this video, I'm rethinking some of my ideas about how I'm approaching my mentoring. So this is a great activity for me as well. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notifications. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.